Hello folks, back as promised. Well, finally got the wheel off. Could have done it sooner, but it's just so time consuming trying to get these wheels off these electric scooters, especially the WEPED, which is very heavy. And just a tremendous amount of crazy stuff you have to go through just to get the wheel off. Really could have been simplified. I didn't understand how they actually designed this unit. I mean, it's a good scooter and everything, but come on, guys, just be logical or practical. Finally, these motor wires now, sorry, I'm out of focus, but these motor wires were a problem in that they were sort of like crimped with some heavy duty crimps. It was pretty hard, and access to it, you have to sort of like get to the stem and open the stem, and I mean, just to pretty much dismantle it, and just to get access to uh, what do you call it, the controller. What I did was, since I've worked on the Duotron before, so I know what's going on here. So I just cut it, and I'm going to bullet connect it later on afterwards. Now it comes. That was one of the problems, but the next one was the hall sensor. To get access to the hall sensor wires, I just clipped them, and I will reconnect them. Halfway, it was within the battery area. I just clipped them there, and I will get connectors for that, and put it sort of like plug and play. So one you can sort of like yeah, pretty much basically plug in and so on. So I will just get the plastic off the edges and so on, and do it the same thing to the other side, and put the clips on, and then plug them together, and put some heat shrink on it. But anyway, finally, this damn wheel, which weighs, oh gee whiz, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. And so this is the process. So for those of you who are going to or plan to change, maybe you should just leave it at your dealer. Let them do it, and you can pay your price there. For me, I do not have a dealer around this side of the tracks. It was either that, or I sent it to the nearest dealer in another part of the continent, and I just don't have the time to wait. I mean, summertime is coming. I just want to get this thing done, test it out on the radials, and then yeah, we sell it afterwards, I guess. I don't know. We'll see what I'll do. But just don't have too much time. I got too much studies, man. I'm doing this aviation or flight training. That's busting my head. But anyway, just this is just a quick update, and I will keep on uploading the progress. And if there's any questions you'd like to ask, or you have some comments to add, go for it. We'll talk to you later, guys. This guy's a dog.